What's up, you guys? It's your girl Nelia. Welcome back for another video. And I spent the whole morning showing you guys my little routine to get ready for the gym, only for the gym to be closed. And before you start, yes, I know it's snowing. Well, it snowed, but the thing is, everybody else's gym is open. Why is my gym not open? So I'm pretty blown. I'm still gonna film my goals for you guys because I've already set up the whole vibe of the day. Like, this day is not going to waste. It's not going to waste. Follow me for a while. I do a lot of videos on weight loss, the gym, challenges and things. If you follow me on TikTok, you see more of my fitness content there. But I do want to bring that back to my channel this year. Full throttle. Like, I want more fitness and wellness content on this channel, and of course hair. But fitness is a big part of my life, and I'm kind of like over just doing hair. Like, I want to incorporate more of my fitness journey. One of my main goals for this year is to run a half marathon, and honestly, that's so easy to say, but the work that goes into it is going to be crazy. I need to work on my mobility and strengthening my legs, and overall lower body has got to be top tier. In October, I ran a 10K and I got a shin splint injury, and it took me out for like a month and a half from running, and I was so sad. Like, to this day, I still have shin splint issues, and I just know that was the race that took it out. I just wasn't prepared. My legs were cold that day. It was too much, and I'm kind of scarred from that. And now I kind of want to prepare myself for that. I kind of need to accept that I am a little older now. I can't just run a 10K and then come home and go to bed. Like, that's just not how it's going to work. I need to work on my mobility. I need to work on strengthening certain leg muscles that I've never strengthened before. Like, it's a very mindful, mental thing to run a half marathon. I can't eat whatever I want. I need to be able to fuel my body to run those distances. I can't be out late. I can't be missing sleep schedules. I can't be drinking like crazy. Like, there's so much that goes into this half marathon training that I don't think people really realize it unless you are a runner. And so because of that, there's so much that has to change in my lifestyle. So because I'm training for that, naturally other things are going to come into play. So for example, I'm trying to cut back on sweets. I am a sweetie girl. I'm a sweet treat. Okay, I love sweet treats. It's a problem. It's always been a problem. I'm working on it. And because of my training, another goal of mine will also be eating at home more. So see how they just all kind of play hand in hand. Like, I've got to eat more at home. So I will be doing more recipes, trying to do more recipes. I am quick to buy some Chipotle or some Honey Grow, which I'm looking at right now. But I'm not going to get any today. But just, even if it's healthy, I just feel like we still don't know what's in it. And I feel like I feel better when I do eat at home, which leads me into my next goal, is to continue to improve my gut health. I did go see a gut health specialist, gastrologist, I think it's called, last year, and I kind of got diagnosed with IBS, irritable bowel syndrome. So a lot of things irritate my stomach. I am sensitive to red meat, so like beef and things like that. I don't eat a lot of pork anyways, but I'm sure pork kind of irritates my stomach a lot. And I know dairy irritates my stomach 100%. I'm definitely lactose intolerant. So there's a lot of things with my gut health that I'm trying to improve, which leads me to the next point, improving my skin. And I know my skin and all those issues have to do with gut health as well, and hormones. So improve my gut health, I've been taking probiotics daily. Nothing new there. I've also started taking digestive enzymes whenever I do feel like I'm eating a meal that my body may or may not like. I don't know. So I take a digestive enzyme, not every day. And I take a multivitamin as well. A whole bunch of supplements. I might do a video on just supplements that I've been taking as a 30-plus-year-old trying to run a half marathon. It can be a whole topic on its own. Along with cutting out the sweets, I do want to cut out alcohol. I am doing currently dry January. And honestly, if it goes into February, it goes into February. I do want to cut back immensely on the drinking. I don't need to be drinking every weekend. I don't need to be drinking. I don't need to go to bottomless brunches. I don't need those things. I don't need those things. And alcohol, literally, the older I get, the more it's killing me inside. Like, the hangovers are worse in your 30s. The recovery is just worse in your 30s. I just can't anymore, you guys. And lastly, this was kind of on my list last year, and I did improve, but I didn't improve 100%. So I'm going to continue to work on this goal. A lot of goals this year are from last year, just upping them, improving them. You know what I mean? So I do want to try waking up earlier. I am not a morning girl. Okay, I have an Oura ring and it has told me my chronotype is night. I am a night owl. I thrive at night. So waking up early is just horrible. I just don't enjoy it. I try to slowly start waking myself up earlier by 30-minute increments. So I start work at 9, and if I work from home, I usually wake up at 8. And then I've been trying to make it 7:30, 6:30. So I'm trying to, like, the goal is 6:30, 7 o'clock being my wake up time, and I just don't know, you guys. I just don't know about that. So the thing is, if I wake up early, what am I going to do with that time? What am I going to fill it with? So that's kind of like something I've been dealing with on my goal list with waking up early and then filling that time with something. It's going to be an adjustment, but I just feel like I can get a run in earlier, or I can go to the gym earlier and not be too disrupted by my day. So I don't know if that's my life or my calling yet. I'm working on that. That's at the bottom. But yeah, so those are just some of my health goals and some of the things that are coming to my channel. You're gonna see half marathon training has kind of begun. I'm not as focused on it as possible because, as you guys can see, the weather is crazy. It's snowing, it's cold, it's not light out, you know, past 4:30. So it's been kind of hard. I'm not gonna lie. This is the first winter where I'm really like focused on running, and it's mind-blowing to me. I don't know how people do this. I love running outside, so running on the treadmill, literally, I despise. I hate it. So but I'm gonna have to get over that. That's just some things that you guys are gonna see. Half marathon training, me trying to eat inside, more vlogs. You know, I know they're not like tutorials and mini twist videos, but they are something that I'm passionate about and interested in, and hopefully maybe I find my audience, or I already have my audience here that's kind of into health and wellness and their hair, you know, just a mix of the two. So I'm currently about to go into Ulta and get some hair products for another video. So your girl is all over the place. You know, we're not gonna waste this day just because the gym is closed, and I should have known it was gonna be closed. It's a quick check-in. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Please let me know down below any of your fitness goals so we can keep each other accountable, or if we have similar goals, I would love to hear them. And oh, and any tips. If you guys got the tips, bring them here, boy. Bring them here. Thank you much for watching. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you want to join in on my journey this year. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.